Welcome back to Show Me Down Under. Now we have another unboxing video. And this here is a razor that I bought from eBay in Australia. So just quick look here how to get into it. See if that's enough. Okay. There we go. Box of Filmora blades. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's more. Nice. So the seller has thrown in Filmora blades, double edge blades, don't know much about them, made in Israel, and maybe that's the same mob. No, different blue, isn't it? So Viking sword, 10 stainless steel. So there's some blades to try out. So here we go. So the box, the case is a little uneven. It's probably the spring there, but otherwise I like the finish of this. I've got one that's very similar, but it's a grey finish. And this has come up. I sort of bought it just for the case, to be honest with you. So we look inside, and this has been replated. And it is an English Goodwill, made in England. So I don't know if this has been replated and has been used. Very hard to tell. Face value, I'd say it has had some use since it was replated. It's not too bad, so when I get the chance I will shave with this. I say it doesn't really sit that well in the like you could easily tighten this up and it'd be off. So up it goes. So there it is. So it's ball end handle. No splits, which is important. So they've added a little, oh, maybe that's to go with the razor. I do know that, I have noticed that a few people are doing this now, putting on a washer first. So there you go, a blue blade in there. The new. So, not bad at all. And be interesting to try out these razors. I haven't tried the Filmora at all, nor the Viking sword. I've never seen that before, so no idea where that has originated from. Oops, you go back on there, if that's possible. There we go. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video on the unboxing. Please leave a like, and also please subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell notification, and then you'll get to see me shave with this razor somewhere down the track. Okay, thanks for sticking around. Ciao for now.